morning. Well, it's February the 18th, 8 a.m., 23 degrees. The sun is out. It's supposed to be a beautiful day. It's a start of the fishing season for me. I just looked on Facebook, and there are guys already on the water. I'm ready. Let's get this garage door open. And load up. Let's get the garage door open and load up the fishing rods. Everything else is in the car. Well, this could only mean one thing. I'm on my way. You know which lake I'm on. Doesn't look like anyone's out there. That's it. Just mosey on down. Whoa! Look at those beautiful blue eyes. My. How are you? How are you? Yeah. Love this lake. There's no water at the ramp. I was ready to head out to Blue Marsh, see what that looks like. But there's somebody already out there, and there's definitely ice on the lake. Quite a shady boat ramp. Let me take a look over here. This is where most kayaks put in, take out. No, this is doable here. I got open water. I know I could catch perch here. Yeah. Sunglass awful. Okay, you know what? I'm putting in. This looks good. I got all natural fish all the way around. And right at the point, I know I could catch some bass. I'm not bass. I know I could catch some perch in this spot. I'm putting in. Today I'm going to bring 4 rods with me. Yeah, I'll bring a bass rod. The game plan was to catch some crappies and then fish for muskies or anything live bait. You know what? Maybe I'll do that. There's no need for artificial bait. If I can't catch live bait, so far I'm not having a good day. I don't have my fishing license. What I'm pointing to is a mountain of perch at the bottom of the lake. They're all over the place. I got one on. I'm looking for 2 or 3 now at the same time. There it is. They're in 40 feet of water. The water temperature is 39 degrees. Middle of the lake, guys. Yeah, 40 feet of water. That's why I've been catching the keepers. I don't know. That's a beautiful looking fish. See you, little guy. Keep an eye on that. Yeah, we'll keep him. They're all over the place. I got one on. I'm looking for 2 or 3 now at the same time. But they go off. There it is. They're in 40 feet of water. The water temperature is 39 degrees. Middle of the lake, guys. Yeah, 40 feet of water. Sometimes I catch them 2 at a time. Like this. Yeah. 42 feet. Wow. 42 feet. Look at that. This would be fun for kids. Holy smoke. Half my screen is full of perch. Half the screen. I did try for bass a couple of hours, and in the coves the water's still very low. Water temperature 40 degrees, 43 maybe in the cove. But no bass, whole lot of perch. No crappies, I'm surprised. But I didn't get a chance to fish in the trees because it's been so windy. But the perch are in the middle of the lake. But you zoom right by them. You really gotta, I mean, there's so many of them. Gotta go upwind, drift down, upwind, drift down. But that's what I'm gonna do. It's February 20th, 50 degrees air temperature. And waiting for the water temperature to be 50. Hope they will bite then. And we gotta bring the water up too. I have no idea where they are. Oh yeah, they are in the water.